Welcome back. Once again, speaking partner with me, Bro Dwi, so let's become your best partner. This is about day 11 nih teman-teman ya. So we have the third weeks ya. Kita mulai masuk minggu ketiga. And after last week, we have mini exam like this one. We feel confidence, ya. Sometimes nervous about our feeling. To talk about the story in front of the camera like this one. So in the day 11 teman-teman, let's discuss about can you tell about. Nah, can you tell about bisakah kamu menceritakan sesuatu? Oke, nah before we jump to our lesson tadi teman-teman ya. Guys, what the lesson have been running 10 days like this one? Is there any improvement about our lesson that has been running for 10 days? Nah, ada yang peningkatan nggak, gengs? When we have learned about in the basic 2 level ya, gengs ya, around 10 days. Setelah 10 hari kita belajar bareng, practice together, what's the improvement? Ada peningkatan nggak, teman-teman? Hmm?
Of course, bro.
Ya, ada,
Of
bro.
course. What
Talk
is that? What is that, guys?
about vocabularies
Mm-mm.
and about um uh more confident to
Confident.
talk with anyone.
Okay, good. Yeah, some of you say that this is really improvement in our ini bro confidence. Yes, that's about our goals actually ya, gengs ya. Emang goals kita adalah make you confident speech in front of the public. Nah itu dia. Oke, gengs, what is the thing that we are still struggling for? Teman-teman, kira-kira masih ada yang kesulitan sesuatu nggak in about English ya? Is there any still struggling for, guys?
Yeah,
What is that?
this this is about vocabularies, I think.
Vocabularies
Yeah.
like expression.
Hmm.
Okay. Nah, what makes it difficult, Sis Ririn?
I think it's more difficult to remember, bro, to remember, and we have to uh apa sih menghafalkan ya,
Memorize.
memorize the vocabulary as more that as we can, but we have to remember it. We have to remember so much. So I think I have still struggle for it.
Okay, thank you so much, Sis Ririn. Nah, teman-teman, this every single person, every single what's it, human like this one, totally different about capability in our memory. Ya, gengs ya. Sometimes that you have large capacity of memory, so easy to memorize everything about the vocabularies, about our lesson like this one. But some people say, include me, ya, gengs ya. I have short memory, gengs. Really, I really have short memory. And sometimes with we still practice like this one. Okay, I memorize it. Okay, I memorize it. But 5 minutes later, I forget it like this one. So that's why I have short memory. Nah, so my teacher say it, gengs, guys, you should was it write everything, take a note about the lesson or something that you need memorize it. Take a note about it. Nah, while you are taking a note, teman-teman, catat maksudnya, taking a note like this one. So the first, you always memorize it. Try to memorize everything that you want it, right? And the second one, our hands like this one, yeah. And my teacher say that our hands, this is relate the was it connect with our brain. So that's why this is support about points that we want to improve it. Now, so that's why everything that you wanna memorize it, try to take a note like this one. And the second, after you take a note like this one, the second you just read it. Read something that you wanna memorize it. Just read, gengs. Yeah. Or read in once, twice, 3 times like this one.
Continue.
So continue like this one. Okay. Maybe that after our class, was end like this one. You try read in once. Okay, read in once. Blah 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 blah. Okay, selesai. And maybe in the evening like this one, you read again in once. Read again. Blah, 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 blah. Finish, right? Before you are going to sleep. Before ya, gengs ya. You read in once. Baca aja sekali. Thread, brrrt, and finish. Udah selesai. Nah, in the next day, in the morning, ya, in the morning, usually that our brain and our was it uh connectivity, creativity in our brain. So sometimes that really improve in the morning, right? Always have more power lah ya, powerful lah in the morning. Try to read in once, sekali aja baca, and this is really motivate you to always memorize every single thing that you wanted. Nah, that's my teacher say it, Kangs. Nah, so believe or no, you can try it. Itu ya. That's about our memorize it, Kangs. Because every single person we have totally different. Ya, pasti berbeda. Gitu ya. Bro, I have long apa? Memorize. Ya udah, that's really believe you. Ya. Itu apa keberkahannya teman-teman. Nggak apa-apa. Because different people, different manner too. Gitu. Keep practicing pokoknya ya, gengs ya. Oke, teman-teman. Guys, how to tell about ability? Nah, ini ya. Karena judul kita tadi adalah Can you tell about bla bla bla? Bisakah kamu menceritakan sesuatu? Nah, so our meeting today, teman-teman, how to answer when someone say it or ask ya to ask like this one. Can you tell about the way to get supermarket misalkan? Can you tell about your experience? Can you tell about your story dan seterusnya? Nah, so how to answer? Can you tell about ya, gengs ya? For the first one, you can mention let me tell you about. Nah, jadi yang pertama adalah let me tell you about. Misalnya diisi dengan my story. Nah, misalkan ya. Oke, coba bareng-bareng kita ucapkan teman-teman ya. Let me tell you about my story.
Let me tell
Let
you
me
about
tell you
my
about
story.
Betul. Let me tell you about my story. Jadi izinkan saya menceritakanmu tentang ceritaku. Nah, so that's gonna be like our answer. Nah, selain bisa mengucapkan let me tell you about, you can answer I will tell you about. Nah, like example misalkan I will tell you about my experience. Misalnya ya teman-teman ya. Coba bareng-bareng kita ucapkan teman-teman. I will tell you about my experience.
I will tell
Tell
you
you
about
about
tell you about
experience.
my
my
experience.
experience.
Betul. Jadi aku akan menceritakanmu tentang pengalamanku. Misalkan seperti itu ya, gengs ya. Nah, selain itu, we can say I can say that. Nah, I can say that. Nah, diikuti dengan apa yang akan kita ceritakan. Misalkan my story aja yang gampang. I can say that my story is. Nah, coba bareng-bareng ya. I can say that my story is.
I can say
say
that my
Can
story
say that my story is
Nah, diikuti ceritanya apa kira-kira seperti itu ya. Tergantung apa yang pengen ditanyakan gitu ya. Terus teman-teman, you can say my bla 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 is bla bla bla. Ini juga bisa diisi dengan apa yang akan kita eh ceritakan ya teman-teman ya. Misalkan my experience is, nah coba bareng-bareng ya. My experience is,
my experience is
Nah ini adalah untuk how to answer. Gimana untuk menjawab dari pertanyaan can you tell about gitu ya. Nah, how to give respon ya setelah misalkan lawan bicara kita ya guys let me tell you about my experience in the ABC company misalkan seperti itu habis cerita bla 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 nah respon kita sebagai pendengarnya nah so we can say wow that's amazing. Coba bareng-bareng ya. Wow, that's
Wow.
amazing.
Wow, that's
Wow,
that's
that's
amazing.
amazing.
Jadi this kind of like our appreciate ya. Kita harus mengapresiasi orang yang bercerita kepada kita. Wow, that's amazing. Nah, kalau mau dikasih komentar, komentar ya teman-teman ya. Wow, that's really cool about your experience in bla 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 company, misalkan seperti itu ya. Atau kita bisa meresponnya dengan agak-agak cuek. Nah, agak-agak cuek ya, gengs ya. Ini adalah bahasa yang cool. Nah, coba bareng-bareng kita ucapkan teman-teman cool.
Cool.
Yes, cool. Bro, dingin bro. Enggak, maksudnya di sini cool adalah keren. Nah, itu ya teman-teman ya. Atau wow, that's cool. Boleh juga ya teman-teman ya, digabungkan dengan yang atas tadi. And selain cool, yang singkat juga teman-teman, yaitu adalah dope. Ini bacanya adalah dope. Coba bareng-bareng ya. Dope.
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 Does anyone knows what is dope? Apa itu dope, teman-teman? Ada yang tahu nggak? Dope, teman-teman, ini mirip dengan yes. Mungkin teman-teman pernah dengar nggak? Nope.
Yeah.
Yang paling sering teman-teman dengar pasti adalah nope, gitu ya. Nope itu adalah tidak. Kalau biasanya kita pakai no, ya kan? Itu adalah untuk yang kind of like formal kayak gitu ya. No, yes. Nah, sometimes teman-teman kalau kita di tempat tongkrongan atau mungkin di dengan apa teman-teman kita sendiri, so we can say dope untuk ya, nope untuk tidak. Kalau di Indonesia itu apa sih? Ya, nope itu kayak kagak, ya kan? Kan ada enggak, ya kan? Tidak, ada kagak. Nah, so nope itu kind of like this one. Jadi untuk yang benar-benar casual, gengs ya. Ya. Or we can say no wonder. Coba bareng-bareng ya. No wonder.
No wonder.
No wonder.
No wonder. Yaitu adalah nggak heran. Ya. Nggak heran ceritamu seperti itu. Misalkan seperti itu ya. No wonder your story. Nah, misalkan seperti itu ya. Don't forget, gengs, to always say can, will, let. Diikuti dengan verb satu. Nih ya, let diikuti dengan tell verb satu. Loh bro, itu ada me-nya. Yes, teman-teman nggak apa-apa. Tapi yang jelas ini verb apa? Let diikuti dengan verb satunya. Tell ini kan verb satu. Will diikuti dengan tell juga verb satu. Can diikuti dengan say dan satu lagi. Jadi seperti itu. Ya teman-teman ya. Oke, jadi remember teman-teman how to answer ini ya. Let me tell you about, I will tell you about, I can say that, dan my bla 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 is, so you can say it. Nah, habis ini kita akan praktis teman-teman, so you can use one of them. Teman-teman bisa milih salah satu ya. Terserah mau pakai let me boleh, I will tell you boleh, I can say that boleh dan seterusnya. Oke? Nah, apa yang kita bisa jawab, bro? Nah, so I have some question here. Ada banyak apa pertanyaan di sini ya. Nah, teman-teman, I will give you more time to practice in the breakout room ya, teman-teman ya. Mungkin sekitar 30 minutes lah ya, sekitar 30 menitan like this one. So you can take a screenshot boleh, teman-teman mau foto boleh, tapi yang jelas di modul juga ada untuk pertanyaan-pertanyaan ini. So, there are some questions. So, yang pertama, can you tell about something you love? Teman-teman tolong dong ceritakan sesuatu yang teman-teman cintai ya, sukai, cintai kayak gitu ya. Terus, can you tell about something you hate? Tolong dong ceritain sesuatu yang dibenci. Nah, ingat untuk menjawabnya bisa pakai salah satu tadi ya. Let me tell you, I will tell you, dan seterusnya. Terus, can you tell about something you really care about? Tolong dong ceritain sesuatu yang dipedulikan ya. Teman-teman peduli sama apa ya. I will tell you about something that really I care, bro. That's about cat, misalkan seperti itu ya. Peduli sama kucing. Manusia mah bodo amat ya, kucing misalkan seperti itu ya. Terus, can you tell about someone you dislike? Nah, ini kita ngibah pagi-pagi. Jadi tolong diceritakan seseorang yang teman-teman tidak suka ya. I hate my ex, bro. Misalkan seperti itu. Silahkan ya. Terus, can you tell about a dream you have had? Tolong dong diceritakan mimpi atau cita-cita yang pernah teman-teman punyai. Nah, ya, bermimpi kerja di BUMN bro misalkan ya, tapi nggak jadi. Silahkan nanti bercerita. Terus, can you tell about the goal you have? Nah, kalau tadi kan cita-cita tuh, kalau sekarang goal ya, goalnya teman-teman yang sekarang realistis. Nah, itu kira-kira apa? Terus, can you tell about yourself? Tolong dong ceritakan diri sendiri. Can you tell about your childhood? Tolong dong ceritakan masa anak-anaknya teman-teman. Kira-kira seperti apa? Can you tell about your family? Nah ini ceritain keluarganya. Your own family mungkin bro, I have married bro, sudah menikah. I have own family misalkan. Ya my children, my husband atau my wife dan seterusnya. Can you tell about your parents? Nah ini orang tuanya dong. Ayah, ibu, barangkali kakek, nenek dan seterusnya juga boleh. Can you tell about your boyfriend atau girlfriend? Bro, aku udah nikah. Ya udah diganti aja. Can you tell about your husband atau your wife gitu ya. Tapi kalau yang belum menikah, you can say it. Kalau bro aku apa jomblo, habis putus misalkan. Ya udah, can you tell about ex boyfriend atau ex girlfriend? Ya, ini tergantung situasi dan kondisi ya teman-teman ya. Teman-teman seperti apa kondisinya gitu ya. Terus, can you tell about your pet? Nah, ini barangkali teman-teman punya binatang ya, cat lovers, dog lovers, dan seterusnya. Can you tell about something you believe in? Tolong dong ceritakan sesuatu yang teman-teman percayai. Nah, I believe God, bro. Ya iyalah pasti ya. Atau I believe ghost. Nah, kan ada banyak tuh ghost ya. Terus, can you tell about a place you have visited? Ceritakan dong tempat yang pernah dikunjungin, ya. Something beautiful place, apa tempat yang begitu cantik mungkin, nah dan seterusnya. Can you tell about an accident you have seen? Tolong dong ceritakan kejadian yang pernah dilihat. Mungkin kejadian apa bencana alam boleh, kejadian apa tabrakan atau something ya, terserah. Can you tell about a time when you were happy? Nah, ceritakan waktu di mana teman-teman lagi bahagia. Dan di bawahnya ceritakan waktu di mana teman-teman sedih. Dan di bawahnya were excited, yang lagi bersemangat, ya. Dan di bawahnya lagi when you were frightened, ketika teman-teman lagi ketakutan. Nah, can you tell yang terakhir ya, can you tell about something beautiful? Sesuatu yang benar-benar cantik. Ya, my wife bro, beautiful. Ya boleh, silakan ya teman-teman ya. Oke, that's about our questions teman-teman ya. Ada beberapa tadi banyak ya, gengs ya. So, have you ini gengs screenshot atau foto atau prepare aja untuk di apa PDF. Nanti teman-teman, you can share your screen. Ketika udah masuk ke breakout room, teman-teman bisa share screen seperti ini sehingga pertanyaan-pertanyaannya selalu muncul di layarnya teman-teman, gitu ya. Jadi silakan nanti ya, salah satu dari partisipannya di breakout room anggotanya bisa share screen biar kita selalu ingat, oh pertanyaannya ini. Nanti bergantian. Oke teman-teman? Are you ready guys?
Ready.
Ready. Yang ready cuma Sis Nurul aja, Sis Ririn aja. Yang lainnya are you
We
ready?
are ready.
Ready.
Gitu dong. We are ready bro. Oke. So remember teman-teman please be active ya gengs ya. Tolong selalu aktif. Syukur-syukur teman-teman juga bisa open kamera ya. Biar kita bisa practice together. So 3, 2, 1, let's go.